In this video, I'm going to explain what affiliate marketing is and how does it really work. Stay tuned. Hey, what is up guys? ODI Productions here. If you're new to the channel, let me just give you guys a quick background about me. My name is Odie. I go by ODI Productions on YouTube. I have about 33,000 subscribers right now and a little over 10 million views. So I am a full-time entrepreneur and affiliate marketer, and 2 years ago, I actually dropped out of the most applied to school on the planet and my dream school, UCLA, with a 3.5 GPA my senior year in order to pursue entrepreneurship and online business. Thankfully, I found affiliate marketing, which has given me the lifestyle of my dreams today, just 2 years later. I live in my dream apartment here in downtown Chicago. If you guys want to peep the view for a second right here. Do a little pan, nice and easy. And every single day I get to drive my dream car, which is a custom Porsche 911 Turbo, which I'll include some clips or something right here. But anyways, to get on with the video, I want to teach you guys what affiliate marketing is. So I'm going to show you guys the basics, the fundamentals, just explain how it works, and I'm going to hop into my computer actually and show you guys some real examples and show you step by step how people are using affiliate marketing these days to make money online. And trust me when I say this, everyone does affiliate marketing. Literally everyone. All the famous YouTubers, all the tech reviewers, people on Instagram, all those fitness people, big companies like Uber, Lyft, blogs like Smart Passive Income, and even small food blogs, do affiliate marketing. So let's just hop into the computer so I can give you guys an actual click-by-click, step-by-step on how affiliate marketing works and what it is. All right, let's get into it. All right, so we have transported inside of my computer using a little technology called Magic, and now I'm going to show you guys step by step some real world examples of how affiliate marketing works and how it is used in the real world. But just to get things started, a basic description at its core of affiliate marketing is that it is just referrals. Okay, so affiliate marketing is kind of a fancy term for just referrals. It's basically referring people to products and services of companies that are not your own, and then receiving commission if those people sign up or take action upon your referral, usually through a link. So just to give you guys a quick example, so this is my video. It's a review of a very popular headphone called the Audio-Technica AT-HM50X, which I actually have right here. Looks a little different from the video because I put some skins on them. But basically you guys can see 300,000 views, and if you scroll down to the description, the first thing you see here is an Amazon link. And you guys, as long as you weren't born yesterday, if you've watched any sort of tech review on YouTube, you're gonna see Amazon links or some sort of funny looking links in the description, and 9 times out of 10 those are affiliate links. And what is an affiliate link? Basically Amazon Associates, if I just go right here, it is Amazon's affiliate program, which is okay. So let's just log out of that real quick. So Amazon Associates is Amazon's affiliate program, and as you guys can see, earn up to 10% advertising fees with a trusted e-commerce leader. So if you join Amazon Associates, which you guys can do today, it's completely free, but you might need to have a website in order to get approved. Some people are able to without it, but I would have a website just in case. All right guys, so if you log in and then you just look up products for Amazon Associates that you can promote, as you can see here we have the M50X, and all you have to do is click here and then get link, which basically is your personalized tracking link that you can include in your videos, on your website, on your landing page, and then this link is personalized to your account. Now what that means is it has a tracking code through cookies where if somebody clicks that link, it's going to be tracked back to you. And for Amazon Associates at least, if somebody buys anything from Amazon, not just the product, which is the headphones, if they buy anything within 24 hours, you receive a percentage of the commission. Now the commission ranges, it definitely ranges based on the product category. It can range from 4 to up to 10%. So if I just look up Amazon Associates rates, then we can actually see, you know, each specific product category and how much they pay. So let's just look down. If we scroll down here, you guys can see there are, you know, a fixed rate for each product that you sell. So if you sell something from, let's say, in the PC category, you know, so this could be computers, laptops, DVDs, Blu-ray, etc. You get 2.5% of that sale. So if you sell a laptop for, let's say, $1,000, you will receive 25 bucks, basically. So basically, you know, 2.5% right there. So that's how it works at its core. Amazon Associates is the largest in terms of affiliate programs because it just has the widest range of products, but there are many sort of affiliate networks that have more exclusive offers with the companies and with the products that may yield you a higher percentage of commission. So this is just a quick example right here of how people do it on YouTube. I'm going to move on to the next example, which is blogs. And my favorite affiliate marketing blog is smartpassiveincome.com. It's created by a guy named Pat Flynn, who's awesome. He has an awesome podcast, which you guys should check out. But basically, Pat's been crushing it with affiliate marketing for as long as I've been in the game, basically. And if you look at this, this is his income reports, and as you can see, 2 mil during the last 12 months. It's insane. These numbers are crazy. I mean, 6 figures a month. 6 figures a month when, you know, a lot of people are trying to strive for 6 figures a year. This guy's making 6 figures every single month, and it's just insane. But basically, if you scroll down, if I just choose the latest income report, so we'll do August 2017, I just scroll down and I'll show you guys that he actually is transparent enough to share his affiliate marketing earnings broken down by company. So as you guys can just scroll down here, you see Amazon, he made about 600 bucks, you know, not too bad. But if you scroll down to some of these other companies like Bluehost, you see $19,470 from a single source of affiliate marketing. So from posting links, guys, again, it's that simple, it's that easy, it's completely passive income, which is one of the reasons why I believe it is the best, you know, online business that anyone can take up today. So just to give you guys a little more detail into how this works, Bluehost right here, they are a web hosting company, and it's obvious they have an affiliate program because he's earning close to 20 grand from it. Now if we go to Bluehost website, you guys can see right here, bluehost.com. It's web hosting. For anyone who wants to create a website, you can sign up for Bluehost right here, you know, with WordPress or whatever. But if you scroll down to the very bottom, and now this works for most companies that have affiliate programs, you will see affiliates at the bottom footer. Now if you click that, it will take you right into their affiliate program, and you guys can actually see over 5 million paid in commissions last year alone. So as you guys can see, this isn't some sort of scam or anything. Definitely do not confuse affiliate marketing with network marketing, which is multi-level marketing, which is pyramid schemes. Affiliate marketing is not pyramid scheme at all. It is legit sales and commissions. So basically you're a salesman for real companies. You're not selling energy drinks and driving around, you know, Base 3 series. This is a real business right here. This right here, I mean, look at this right now. You know, Bluehost is a legit company. They also have affiliate programs for companies like HostGator, GoDaddy. You've heard of these companies. You've seen them on TV. You've seen them on ads. These are real companies that we're talking about. So anyways, getting back into Bluehost's affiliate program, if you scroll down, as you guys can see, free to join as with most affiliate programs. You guys can see how it works. Basically, you have custom banners and links just like Amazon Associates for every visitor who clicks your link and signs up within, I believe, a 30-day period. Now, Amazon's is only 24 hours, but for most affiliate programs, it's usually around a 30-day tracking cookie. It's between 14 days to 30 days, 60 days, sometimes 90 days, but 30 is the industry average for tracking links. And Bluehost, they will give you $65 a pop for everyone who signs up through your Bluehost link. Completely free to join, just like Amazon Associates. Again, this is affiliate marketing. It's very simple, it's very basic, but I figured I'd just peel back the kimono and show you guys how people are really making money online behind the scenes. Now, I'll give you guys one more example. This is Instagram. One of my favorite YouTubers slash people that I follow on Instagram is Max Tuning. Been following him since the first few days back when he started doing the full day of eating videos. Those were like my favorite. And basically here is an ad. This is for movement watches, and this is a little different because the thing is with affiliate marketing is you usually have links, right? But another way that you can do this, now some people call this sponsorship, it's all the same thing to me, basically is providing coupon codes. So as you guys can see, Max has his own coupon code. It's personalized. It says Max15. You get $15 off your order at Movement. And basically what is happening here is if you use Max's link, yes, you get $15 off, but he also gets attribution for your sale, and therefore he gets a kickback or a commission. Now, I don't know how much he makes off the sale. I am not a Movement affiliate. I cannot speak on that. But it's probably somewhere around 10-15 bucks per sale, which is a very nice extra source of income considering how passive it is. He just has to post one photo like this or make one video, and he can continue to earn money off every single sale from that video. And as you guys can see, the power of the internet, the power of scale, this has over 10,000 likes, and you can bet that of those 10,000 likes, the chances of a few people buying a watch using his code are pretty high. Let's be honest. It's just math at the end of the day. I mean, marketing is a numbers game, and if you're getting 10,000 likes, you're getting 10,000 views, you're getting 10,000 clicks, chances are someone's buying something and you're going to be making commission. So basically, those are all of my big examples. I mean, it's very simple. I hope I could, kind of show you guys behind the scenes of how affiliate marketing actually works in the real world and how people are using it to generate large sources of side income that is different, and it's more effective than just doing Google AdSense, which is just showing ads. Just for an example, YouTube only pays $2 for every 1,000 views in my experience. Now this changes depending on your niche or your industry, but just to put things into perspective, if Max sells one of these and he makes $15, just think about the amount of views he would have to get to make that same amount of money from one sale of selling one watch. So really less is more. You don't have to sell as much, you don't have to get as many views, but if you get sales, you get more commission than getting thousands upon thousands of views. But obviously, if you have both, then it's a win-win for everybody. Multiple streams of income, always the way to go. All right, guys, so that wraps up this video. I hope you guys found value in this free lesson. And if you guys liked the video, please thumbs up the video and leave a comment below letting me know, because I really appreciate it, and it will allow me to continue to make more videos and free lessons just like this. If you have any questions about affiliate marketing, feel free to leave a comment below or contact me via Instagram by DMing me at ODI_production. So leave a comment, Instagram. Either way, I'll get back to your question as soon as possible. Now, for anyone who is serious about affiliate marketing and you want to use it as a vehicle to wealth and living, a life of passive income, and basically, hopefully one day achieving your dream life like it gave me, guys, definitely check out my brand new course called Affiliate Marketing Champ at affiliatemarketingchamp.com. Where I just released my brand new course that's 5 hours of HD video. If you guys enjoyed my teaching style, if you guys enjoyed learning from me, and if you want me to be your mentor and your guide for affiliate marketing, then definitely check out this course. I share a bunch of really awesome lessons, such as the best examples of successful affiliate marketing in the real world. So it's an extension of this video, showing pretty much every single example out there of how affiliate marketing works, and also giving you guys a step-by-step plan on how to start a successful affiliate marketing business. So basically, I give each step on how I've created my affiliate marketing businesses, and you guys can replicate that exact same process And by doing each one of these steps, it increases your chances of success by that much more. Also, I shared the most profitable niches in affiliate marketing, which is a complete game changer, because this could be the difference between making $1,000 a month and $10,000 a month. And trust me, I learned that from experience. Aside from that, I teach you guys how to rank on the first page of YouTube and Google while still being a small channel. I've been able to surpass YouTubers who have millions of subscribers, millions more than I do, and I've been able to surpass them on the Google rankings on the first page. And also, I'm going to show you guys how to use paid traffic and show you guys a secret paid traffic source that will turbocharge your results for not much investment, along with creating a Facebook ad for affiliate marketing and even creating an affiliate marketing website from scratch. Lastly, I share my top 5 mistakes with affiliate marketing that I wish I knew when I got started, that would have saved me months, if not years, of frustration and failure. But that's basically the core of the lessons, guys. I'm going to be adding more modules, more lessons in the future, and I'm going to keep expanding this course to be the most comprehensive and the best possible course on affiliate marketing to get you guys started today. So if you guys are interested in that, I actually have a $100 off discount that is going to be for a limited time if you guys use the link in the description. So the code is going to be already applied. As you guys can see here, there's no discount or anything like that, but if you guys apply the code, then you guys will see a $100 off discount, and there's limited spots available. So if you guys are really interested in this, I suggest you get on it ASAP. But yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, Instagram, DM me, whichever way you can reach me, and I'll be happy to answer those questions. So anyways, on to the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, peace.